Hey guys! Today we're gonna be making spicy soft tofu stew, other known as sundubujigae. First, you want to dice half an onion into small cubes. Then I roughly chopped up about 7 mushrooms into bite-sized pieces. Then I used half a zucchini and cut it into small cubes. I then chopped up 5 stalks of green onion. Now I chopped up about half cup of sour fermented kimchi. You want to then stir fry your onion for about 45 seconds on medium-high heat. Then put in your kimchi and stir fry for another 45 seconds. Now you want to put in your zucchini and stir fry for about 30 seconds. After stir frying the veggies, you want to put the liquid of your choice. So I put instant beef bone broth. Jun that we made in the previous video in the sundubujigae, and trust me, it's a game changer. is one of my all-time favorite things to eat, and it's a great way to use up your leftover chon from chuseok. You can basically put whatever you like in this dish, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, turn on your notification bell, and leave a comment down below. Bye!